Welcome to Rogers Technologies. Now we are going to continue the same thing, but we have in the previous video, I have only one check button. I need to add some more check buttons now, some more check buttons to perform the operation. Okay, so I will take some more hobbies. I am going for further three hobbies. For that particular purpose, I need three variables. chk var2. It is also boolean var. That means it returns either true or false. Will be stored in the checkbox 2. Similarly, I need another two variables like this var3, var4, totally four variables. Okay, var1, var2, var3, var4. So, but I have only one check button is there. I need to add another three check buttons. Second one, I will modify. This is chk2 for second check button. The text is listening music and listening to music, and command is same check status only, but I am going to use another variable, second variable for checkbox 2, and it will be placed it will be placed in x-axis same, but y-axis I will move to 200. Okay, 200. And next check button chk2 dot place, this second checkbox 2 dot place, first checkbox, second test checkbox. Why is this one? I have to remove this. Next, third one is third check button for another hobby. So let us change to this is chk3, and the text of this check button is watching movies, and the variable I am going to use is the third variable, and chk3 dot place, x-axis is 100 and y-axis is going for 300. And next, last check button, check button 4, here also 4, but we are going for 400 y-axis. Here watching movies is already a hobby, one hobby. Listening music, reading books, and here playing games. Okay, so I will use the variable is chk var4, fourth variable for this check button. Okay, now let me see how this particular window will look like. So now I have four things selected. Every time you selected, selected, deselected, deselected. Every time the same operation is going to done. Okay, now I am going to perform. I am going to how many hobbies you have, that must be displayed in a label, but you need to create a label. Now not I am not going to use the message box. Label result, a result label, so it is of label, and it will be displayed in the window, and the text is null right now, no text is displayed. And next, font, I am going to apply F1, and background color I am going to apply to red for this label. comma, and foreground color I am going to apply is white. Okay, now lab result dot place, I am going to place this result x-axis at 150 and y-axis at 500, because 400 is already there. And I want to display the result in this particular label. How? By getting b, I will get, so I will directly create a variable v equals to 0. That means there is 0, otherwise c means count is 0. Now if chk var1 dot get, if it is true, then we are going to increment the c value is 1. Otherwise else if check var2 dot get, then you can increment the c value is c plus 1. Similarly, you can go for all the four buttons, sorry, all the 4, 2, 3, 4, every time you can increment, and we are going to display the result lab result dot configure. We are going to configure what? Text. Text equals to you have plus c plus hobbies, space here, hobbies. Okay, now let me execute. Right click, run. So this is the label, no text right now. Count is not displaying. Okay, because every time we are not called yet. Okay, every time we not called. Oh, this is checkbox 2, checkbox 3. Every time we call the check status, chk status, check status. Okay, c is equals to 0. Okay, okay, what happened with this? Otherwise result will be label will be placed here. Now see, why it is not getting. Chk variable dot get, that means it returns 1. Yet if it is true, I am going to increment. If it is true, I am going to increment. Finally, we are going to tell how many hobbies that was there in the count. Now what we make a mistake, sorry. Now I will put some text here, maybe change or not. Here result I will write. Why it is not getting? Previously we get that count, no? One second, I will do something here. I am going to write show info also. Info. I'm going to display status is C in string str of C, because C is integer variable. Now right click, run on. Okay, I have two hobbies here. It is displaying. I have three hobbies. I have two hobbies. I have one hobby. Like this, it is displaying that number of hobbies is displaying in the this message box. What happened with this one? Why it is not displaying? One second, I will run. How it is not working? What was happened? Was something, some error is there? Okay, so I will go prefer str of C. We will see. You have one hobbies. Yes, same. That is the mistake what we did. Have two hobbies. You have three hobbies. Have four hobbies. Have three hobbies. You selected three hobbies. Okay, so please go and understand what I did. The same thing for number of check buttons. Okay, thank you.